Hello and good morning, everyone. Today is the 4th of February 2021, Thursday morning here in Hamburg. My name is Maurice Rothwell, English trading coach here at TradersClub24. So we're going to be doing our DAX market opening trade as usual every day. So let's get straight into it with our DAX chart here on the left. Right click, open the chart window. Once we have the black chart in here, we're going to right click. We're going to go down to template, open range breakout DAX. Once it's loaded into the chart, first things that you'll notice is these purple horizontal lines. These are called big numbers simply because they are big numbers in the market price, moving up in increments of 100 each time. These can be considered sort of pivot points in the market price. You can say similar to support and resistance areas. Now, if we come down into our minute chart, we're going to the main element of this template, and this is the orange box just here. So this orange box is our open range where we're expecting a breakout from this range. Next part, we're going to go over here to the left, SwissBox, TradersClub24 SwissBox, double click. Now, because I already have here at the bottom some other charts open from the DAX with SwissBoxes inside, we do need to click that magic number. Anything, it doesn't matter, so click OK. And here is our SwissBox configurator. So this is where we're going to set up all of the preferences for our SwissBox trade. First things first, we're going to click box lines on, and you'll see these two lines appear in the chart, a green line and a red line. These represent two pending orders, green line being a buy stop pending order and the red line being a sell stop pending order. In the middle, you can see 15, indicating that it's 15 points between the lines. Okay. Essentially, what we're trying to do here is we're trying to trap the market within a 15-point range before any expected breakout. So hence why we're trading the German market opening for the DAX. With the Frankfurt Stock Exchange opening at 9 o'clock, we see the collision of the futures market and the cash market together, in which we should see a breakout from this range. We've already had a bit of an early breakout here. So next thing we're going to do is we have different sets here, set 1, set 2, set 3, and set 4. Now, these are different risk settings and target profit settings, set 1 being the lowest risk and lowest reward, and set 4 being the highest risk and highest reward. So we're going to go with the set 2, keep things simple. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to place my SwissBox here just on the open range. As I've got a 15-point range, I'm going to keep our buy stop line, this green line, on the top of our box, and we have the daily pivot just underneath. So once we're happy with where we've placed our box in the chart, we can click entry on, and there is our entry. So now you can see that our box has turned yellow. And here at the bottom we have our pending box now. So yes, as you can see now, the market has just moved up past our green line, triggering our first pending order, and the take profit is automatically calculated into the chart due to the preferred settings we have inside SwissBox. So for us, we've got a 0.02% target profit. So that works out to be, if we go over here, €3.24. However, we can move that if we wish, or we can keep it at the original. So what happens now if the market is going to push down through the bottom of our box past our red line? Well, we're going to trigger our sell stop pending order. So we can see here that there's different sizes on the two orders. So our first trade is 0.22 lots, and then the second trade after that is nearly 3 times bigger. The reason for this is so that we cancel out the previous trade and also end up in profit within the distance of 15 points away from our box. After the second trade, the third and the fourth, fifth, so on, will be just twice that of the previous. So once we've got around 5 minutes now until the market opening. And that's it. So we have a semi-automatic tool. So it's SwissBox still has that human element to keep things in check. But once we've placed our SwissBox in the correct area of the chart, it's just a case of waiting for the market to move and us triggering our trade and triggering our take profit. As you can see here, I have my risk percentage and my target profit percentage are both the same. So this means that my take profit will always be the same distance away from my box as the box itself. So if I've got 15 points in my box, that means that the take profit is also 15 points away. And if it comes down to the bottom, that means that my take profit will jump from the top to the bottom of the screen, 15 points away from my box. So the SwissBox calculates everything needed for us to, like lot sizes, for us to hit that target profit within the required 15-point distance, no matter how many trades we have triggered. So as you can imagine, there is a certain amount of trades that we can trigger, hence why we only trade market openings and if there's abnormal, big or high impact news announcements. So as you can see, we've got around a minute left now until we get the market opening, where we're going to expect this morning movement. If we go back to the SwissBox configurator here, we can see in the corner it says one.trade. So this is telling us it's the first trade, and this box here is green, so that's indicating the trade that we're currently in is buy. Underneath you can see the exact outcome of the trade at the moment. So if we had multiple trades in here, it would just give the overall outcome of that trade in the moment. However, if we're going to go trigger a second order, then that will change to two.trade, and if it was a sell, then this would be a red tinge. So there's our opening. As you can see, we've got some movement coming through. Once we pass the take profit, and there's our take profit, and we're out of that trade. So thank you for watching. Yeah, it's as easy as that. If you're interested in learning a bit more about how to trade using these tools and strategies, please visit the website www.TradersClub24.com and click on the 30-day free trial, and we can set you up with the tools on your own computer to practice with. And for those of you that liked or enjoyed the video, please watch some of our others or subscribe to the channel, and we'll be back at it again tomorrow morning. Thank you very much.